birth process. In the womb, a number of chemical actions are taking place. First, this sperm combines with the egg, and this combination takes place due to the reaction of between certain chemical reactions are taking place inside it. And now Rigveda in Mandalam 10, Rishi Toshtak says, Ashwanis, that means God, Ashwani. Actually it is related with the planets. We know planets are controlling the activities of our birth process in the womb through the hair. That we have already seen in the last uploaded YouTube. Then Ashwini rubs two rods. Rod's name Arani. Arani is a sacred wood. Two wood pieces in cylindrical shape. That is Arani. Arani, by rubbing Arani, it produces heat. For fire can be burned by rubbing Arani. That means its electrons can be easily removed. By rubbing, its electron can be easily removed and a chemical action takes place between these two. Not in the Arani, but in this process. Here we are going to explain the process taking place in the womb. So it says Ashwani's rubs two rods made of Arani. Arani means a round rods, two rods, but here it is made from two wood pieces, as a special type of wood pieces, Arani. That is a sacred wood. So he rubs two rods. He rubs two rods to save the child or give birth to a new child. That means the rubbing is not by the male or female. He is mentioning the rubbing of two rods by the god or the planets, Ashwani planets related with this. Ashwanis are something related with the planets that we can see later. What is Ashwani? But it is related with the planets. That planets are acting through the hair and controls the activity, means these are rubbing two rods in the womb. What is the rod mean? We know as per modern science there are chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes, 23 pairs, that means total 46. So 46 comes from female and 46 come from male. Out of it 23, half is taken from female and half is taken from male, and these are rubbing. These chromosomes are rubbing. So chromosomes are almost in this form. We are drawing it in this form. In this form, to X type, a pair. So from the female, one pair is removed. From the female, there are two. One is removed. From the male, one is removed. And these two are rubbing to form in this form. By rubbing means a chemical action takes place electron can be easily removed and can be joined and form a new pair, which result in the formation of a newborn baby. So we are drawing these pairs as two rods in modern science. That is chromosome pair, like this or like this, a pair. It takes one from female, one from male, and rubbing each other or joining each other in this way, forming a new child. The same thing, it contains a number of genes. Genes decide the characteristic of that person. So, by combining the characteristics of male and female, a new type character is obtained for each of these. There are a number of characters in each person. For example, hair color, etc. And the newborn baby gets it depending on the character, a genes is selected from male and female. That is mentioned in Taittiriya Upanishad. It says, when two colors combines, it forms another color. Likewise, it takes some from mother and takes some from father. And on joining these two, it forms a new gene. Likewise, as mentioned here, this is one obtained from dad, one from mother, and so this way, one from mother, and this combination form a, from these two combines to form, which decides the quality of that character of that particular baby. So a number of genes are there. Likewise, a combination take place. Thus, these are mentioned in a simple way in VEDAS. Actually, these are the same thing we are studying in modern science.